Charleston, Illinois, where the factory stood tall, they made boots and shoes for one and all. From leather soles to sturdy steel toes, every stitch carried stories nobody knows. The workers' hands, rough but true, built dreams in every boot and shoe. Boots that marched through fields and war, shoes that danced on the factory floor. American made in Charleston's care, with every pair their pride was there. Old bones of the factory standing strong, through every boot and shoe their legacy lives on. In the 40s, when the world was in need, they built boots for soldiers to help them succeed. Every lace tied with a worker's hand sent soldiers marching to defend the land. Charleston's workers stood firm and proud, making boots for the brave in the factory loud. Boots that marched through fields and war, shoes that danced on the factory floor. American made in Charleston's care, with every pair their pride was there. Old bones of the factory standing strong, through every boot and shoe their legacy lives on. Their legacy lives on. Now the building rests, its work complete, but the spirit of those workers still walks every street. In every boot, in every shoe they made, the heart of Charleston will never fade. Boots that marched through fields and war, shoes that danced on the factory floor. American made in Charleston's care, with every pair their pride was there. Old bones of the factory standing strong, through every boot and shoe their legacy lives on. Their legacy lives on. Their legacy lives on. Their legacy lives on. Their legacy lives on.